Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Candace Ting, and I'm back with another video. Back again. This video is just gonna be about MyEcon, but really quickly first, of course, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, like now. Got it? Cool. Thanks. And also go ahead and hit that bell button so you guys can get notifications every single time that I upload. So, of course, a lot of you guys know that I've migrated to this company called MyEcon. So, of course, I'm making this video for people who are questioning whether or not if this is real or legit. Is it beneficial? Can you really make money from it? What is it? How does it work? Pretty much all the questions that I once upon a time asked. Now, just to give you guys a little bit of background of who I am, if you're new to my channel, my name's Candace. I'm a successful 23-year-old entrepreneur in the network marketing world. In my career, which has been a total of 3.5 years, I made close to $500,000. So, of course, a lot of the companies that I've taken part of, I've seen a lot of success, and not just myself, but of course, in order for me to be that successful, I have to have a lot of people underneath me who have been successful, which has been the case. That's why, I wanted to make this video to kind of like, that is so cool. I've never seen a woodpecker. Hold on. He's probably gonna fly away when he sees me. Oh, he flew away. So basically, what is MyEcon? MyEcon stands for my economy, and basically the products that they do have is things including credit restoration, which means they help people clean up their credit, correct it, and of course improve it. They have something called income shifting, which is really cool because for people out there that work jobs, they teach you how to fill out your W-4 or W-2 or W-9 or whatever it is, and it helps you set up it a way to actually keep more money in your pocket and less with the taxes. Of course, it's all legal, but pretty much they give you like financial education on how to pretty much make more money. That's why it's called income shifting. So you're shifting your income more into your pocket. Not to mention they offer coupons, travel and rental car discounts. Also, they provide road assure, and just those are like the main services that they offer, which is really, really cool because this is stuff that people need. You need good credit. Like you can't argue with me that you can't. Obviously, just to give you guys a little history lesson or pretty much a background of me, I once upon a time went to college. I went to college for about 1.5 years, and this is around the time where I was struggling still. And yes, I got financial aid, but at the same time, I accepted like 5 different loans. So I owed up to like $15,000, and I didn't even finish school. And had I been smarter, I wouldn't have had it hit my credit. Of course, with all the money that I made, I was able to pay back my debt, but at the same time, it still shows on my credit for 7 years. Well, guess what? Now that I'm part of this company, I can clean all that up, so that way I can start financing nice things, because I'm so used to buying things cash. I bought 2 cars cash, I bought a boat cash, this brand new house, everything like I paid for out of my own pocket. Obviously, I've saved a lot more money, but if I had that financial education, I would have been smarter, and I probably would have had more money in my bank account. So, it's an excellent resource. So if you're just in it for the products, I highly vouch for it. I was on a webinar just the other night with some other leaders who've been in this company for a while, and a lot of them, a lot older than I am. I've learned so much from them, and at the same time, I've seen how the products have actually helped them. So, whether or not you need credit restoration, you need income shifting. There's all the other services you can use. Now, people who are asking, each of the products have different prices on them, but of course, let's talk about how to make money, because I know a lot of you guys are here for that aspect as well. So, of course, I've been in this company for a total of 2 weeks. Me and my boyfriend together have made $8,000. 2 weeks. That's pretty good, considering the fact that we had no knowledge. We kind of just got into it and kind of learned as we went, but ultimately we've seen pretty good success. If we're starting out with $8,000, imagine what we're going to be making next month, because it's not based off of just what you produce. Now, people that are wondering, how does the pay work? So basically, you know, you get paid on different factors. Of course, it's not all about just what you produce. You know, ultimately, you can get paid off of what you produce. Also, you'll get paid off of what your team does. So if your team is doing well, you will get paid on that. You get paid on residuals. So what that means is when people renew their monthly membership, you'll get a percentage. Also, you get, you know, commissions off of product sales, and then you also get, you know, paid off your base shop. And this is all stuff that you guys are going to learn. I know it's a lot to know, but once you understand it, it's actually pretty simple, guys. And you can see how beneficial it is, and the compensation plan is just ridiculously good, and it works. I mean, it does. I've seen it work for me. I've seen it work for many people. And like I said, the people on the webinar who are very successful in this, have been in this for years, you know, obviously seen a lot of success. Now you're probably asking, what does it require to become an associate? So of course, there's different packages, but what I've learned actually is that you want to get the $47 membership, because with this company there's different ranks depending on how many people are on your team or organization. With that being said, you have to have a personal CV, which is pretty much you have to be a user or owner of one of their products. So by having the $47, you'll get the cashback mall, which is pretty much the coupons. So of course they're enticing you to be a product of the product. They don't want you just to bring in a bunch of associates. They actually want you to use the products, or at least sell the products as well. So by having a product on hand, you are essentially a product of the product. So with that being said, when you register, get the $47. Now you're probably wondering, like, okay, Candace, I get it, but what's the pay? Like, what do you get paid? There's different ranks. So the first one is MD, which is Marketing Director. And then the next rank is EVP, which I believe stands for Executive Vice President. Don't quote me, but it only requires 2 people to get to that. Then there's EVP Gold, which only requires 10 people. EVP Platinum requires 80. EVP Infinity requires 400, and CEO Infinity requires 1,000. Now you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, Candace, that is a lot of people. I can't refer 400 people, let alone like 20 people. You know, it's gonna take me forever to get there. You know, for the people that can do it, I vouch you, because, you know, believing it and speaking it into existence is, you know, the best mindset to have. But ultimately, you know, at the end of the day, let's just say you refer 5 people, and each one of those 5 people refer another 5 people. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, plus the 5 that you brought in. That's 30 people, and you're already EVP Gold. You know, of course, we'll teach you how to structure your business so that way you can rank up, and of course, you know, maximize your income from this. So I highly recommend joining, you know, because with this company, it's all about positioning. Of course, the sooner you join, the more people that will fall under you, and of course, the more success that you will be, and the higher and faster you will rank up. I'm so glad that I joined when I did, because when I first started, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like tiptoed around it. Had I joined even sooner, I probably would have been in an even better position than I am in now. We have 770 new members who started with us in the first 2 weeks. So, you know, this is definitely going to turn into a 7-figure income. If you don't know what 7 figures, that's $1 million up. You know, I've been making really high 6-figure years, but this one has just really taken it to the next level, and I'm seeing so many other people who may not have been successful with other companies take this and run with it. You know, it's just so great to see people making that actual $500 to $1,000 weekly. And it's cool because with this, it's not based off of continuously producing. Every week you have to produce. If you don't produce 1 week, your paycheck goes down. No, with this is you're working towards something. You build up your team and you build up those residuals, and then let's say like 6 months down the line, you're literally having to do less work but still receiving the same pay. You can literally go a whole week or whatever without working, but since you built yourself up to that point, you will be making that same, you won't have to have that sacrifice on your paycheck. So, you know, guys, again, the best advice I can give you guys is to get started. If someone sent you here to see this video for more information, go back to them. If you found this doing your research, or I sent it to you, or you've been watching my channel, guys, like, I can't tell you anything else other than to sign up. It doesn't hurt. $47 is not going to break the bank. You know, what do you spend $47 on? You know, you probably go out buying a t-shirt or some shoes or some lunch. Sacrifice a pair of shoes, sacrifice an outfit, or sacrifice a dinner or a movie date or whatever, and use it towards your future, so you can make more money, so you can get more shirts or more shoes or spend more time with your kids. I've had the benefit and the blessing of being able to stay home every single day. Of course, sometimes it gets a little boring, but at the end of the day, I couldn't ask for better, because I get to stay home with my daughter. She gets to enjoy having both her parents home with her all the time and not having to have a financial worry. I love to travel. We do a lot of things, and it just has been such a great experience. I've been super fortunate. And another thing, guys, is in the beginning, this is why I'm telling you guys it's important to get started as soon as possible, because in the beginning, the people that signed up with me, I helped them get their first 2 sales so they can at least get to the first rank. And you know, a lot of people are seeing, I helped a lot of people see a paycheck. I gave away $7,000 in sales for my team. So again, you know, I'm mainly looking for people who are serious, who's actually going to work towards this and actually work. If you're just joining just to see how it works out for you, if you're just like, or I'll try, let's see, I don't know if I'm going to make no money, or I'm probably not going to make anything, but I'm just going to, you know, help, or I'm just going to join. Don't join with me. Go find somebody else to join with. Like, go somewhere else. Like, this is how serious I am. I'm willing to turn down money because I'm trying to build a team. You know, there's been a few instances where I signed somebody up and I've literally given them 15 sales. There's one lady in particular, I've given her 15 sales because I left her link on my website overnight, and I had like 15 people sign up, which is crazy. But then a couple days later, she's like, I can't do this, I'm not really seeing results. And I go to her page and she's not even promoting. She's sharing fighting videos, she's, you know, sharing funny memes and not even working. And I'm like, well, what do you expect to see results if you're not working? You know what I mean? You of course you're not going to receive if you don't put out. And you know, I told her I helped you get all these sales, so you don't make me regret it. And she's like, well, can you help me get more? 15 sales. I was only supposed to give you 2. Like, that's what I'm not looking for. I'm not looking for people with hands out. I'm not looking for people who are just gonna beat around the bush, because you know, that was a lot of time and energy that I wasted on one person when I could have helped, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I could have helped 7 people. 7. So, you know, that was just a waste of time. So I'm not here to waste my time. I'm focusing on growing a team. You know, this is gonna be a 7-figure income, and I'm trying to help people get to 6 to 7 figures with me, which is possible, because I won't be making 7 figures unless my team is making 6 to 7 figures. So obviously, if that's where my energy needs to be at, that's where it's gonna be at. And I'm not gonna sit here and help people who are not gonna take this serious. So again, if you're serious, you really want to make money online, you really want to take this to the next level, message me or go to my website down below, or get back to the person that sent you here. We provide online training. Yes, guys, we have webinars, we have lives. We actually have events. The company hosts yearly events. There's, you know, summits. There's also team events that we're actually going to be hosting. You know, there's one actually coming up in the next couple months, which I will make more videos on that. But so, you know, this is your opportunity to be a part of something bigger. This is your chance to meet other people and network with people, you know, actually meet me in person too. You know, a lot of you guys follow me. That'd be cool to meet a lot of you guys. And just to really actually kick it into gear, full throttle, and just take it to the next level. So guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys, and subscribe and like and hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.